In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Following that, choose App Notifications at the top. Select All and pick one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent. Lastly, click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Gallery. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!